Hi, and welcome to today's 10-minute meditation. This entire week, we're going to just focus on quieting our mind because it is in mastering quieting our mind, giving it that little bit of a respite that we gain control over it and have more power in our lives. So we're really just going to focus on getting into a quiet place and relaxing. And when you're in that quiet place and noise starts coming in, like conversations or, things to do, a siren goes by, just acknowledge it, take a breath, and bring yourself back to the silence. We're only going to be silent 3 to 4 minutes. To be able to stay in that silence half of that time would give your body, your mind, so much more power. So again, this whole focus this week is staying in the silence, quieting our minds. So we'll start with the Lord's Prayer and a prayer of protection. I'll guide us quickly so we have more time to sit. When we need time to end the silence, I'll ring the bell so you know I'm going to speak and not jolt you out. And we'll close with the 23rd Psalm. So let's begin. Take a deep breath, close your eyes. And just be thankful that you have the opportunity to take 10 minutes for yourself. Take another deep breath and invite yourself to let go and release any concerns, knowing you're entitled to these 10 minutes. Notice at the top of your head and at the top of your forehead, just between your eyebrows, there is a slight sensation, maybe a great sensation. That's where the energy flows in from above, from our spiritual source, and it fills us. We will follow that flow of energy through our bodies, relaxing and releasing, letting go and quieting. Let us feel that energy now move into our heads, quieting our minds. Notice that the skin around our scalp is relaxed. Our jaw releases. And we welcome that beautiful healing energy of abundance into our throats. Releasing, opening up all the different channels that the energy flows into our chest. It moves, filling our shoulders and down our arms. Notice how our hands and fingers tingle. Let it fill your trunk. Watch it fill in your trunk. Feel it. Just know it. It's all this abundance of love always coming to us from the Spirit above. The Spirit of God, the Spirit of the Son, the Christ, filling our legs, down our feet and out our toes. This abundance of energy flows through us. And today we're going to sit in this flow of energy. See it any color you wish. Know that with each breath, it is a breath of life coming to you from above. It is a gift. Let us sit in silence and invite our thoughts to just float by without our attention going to them. Take a deep breath. Start to bring your attention back into your body. And let's close with the 23rd Psalm. The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. He maketh me to lie down in green pastures. He leadeth me beside the still waters. He restoreth my soul. He leadeth me in the path of righteousness for his name's sake. Yea, though I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I will fear no evil, for thou art with me. Thy rod and thy staff, they comfort me. Thou preparest a table before me in the presence of my enemies. Thou anointest my head with oil, my cup runneth over. Surely goodness and mercy shall follow me all the days of my life, and I will dwell in the house of the Lord forever. Amen. I ended a half a minute early just to get you guys to tell you, by the end of this week, don't get frustrated if you could not keep the thoughts from coming in. I'm not asking you to stop the thoughts. By the end of this week, you'll know just what I'm saying. You're witnessing the thoughts. Your greater self, you're actually going to feel a shift in your beingness. You are witnessing these things, these thoughts, but you're not grabbing onto them and owning them. This is huge, especially for enhancing our intuition. Really huge. It also is fabulous for quieting your mind and giving you creativity and strength throughout the day. So just practice with me, okay? Be here tomorrow, be here during the day, whenever you watch it, and just keep on going. And I promise you, by the end of this week, you're going to be making some serious comments that, wow, it's like there's two of me. And it really is. The real you and the you that's watching everything. Have an awesome and blessed day. Thanks for joining me. Bye.